from Topa. Today we will introduce WebHeat. WebCheck good if a fitting connection on a house fails. It could result in damage, injury, or even death. WebCheck is a steel cable with loops on each end. These loops on each side of a house fitting prevent the house from moving. Attaching two houses to start, pull back on the spring-loaded loop and slide the opening around the side of your house. Do the same with the other end of the WebCheck and connect your house and houses appropriately. At the point, you will have a U-shaped band. In the WebCheck, you must minimize the amount of slack in the cable as much as possible. Otherwise, your WebCheck wouldn't be doing its job. The loops can slide freely on the house. These are two different sizes of WebChecks. If you would like more detailed information about WebCheck, contact Topa today.